The Kenyan government, after a meeting to review the status of the country's response to coronavirus, is maintaining its advice to Kenyans to avoid non-essential travel to China and other high-risk countries. While deaths attributed to the virus have risen to 259, with 11,900 confirmed cases globally. The outbreak has surpassed the SARS epidemic of 2003. Well, families are asking government to evacuate those in lockdown areas.
The emptiness in the streets of Wuhan says it all. Ghostly, lonely, desolate. Wuhan, home to close to 60 million people, a university city, is the epicenter of the novel coronavirus, whose trail of death and devastation has become one of the worst ever outbreaks of its kind. In Wuhan, there is no public transportation. The way out of the city is blocked. Almost all the shops, including pharmacies, are closed. For the 88 Kenyan students trapped in the lockdown, each passing day is best described as a nightmare.
No signs of the lockdown coming down anytime soon. I am physically okay, though mentally strained. Every day is a new challenge. Been having sleepless nights, having panic attacks due to the lack of information trickling down.
So umejifungia tu kwa room.
For 31-year-old Robinson Masinde's identical twin, a PhD student in the Central China Normal University, the past week has been extremely difficult. The lockdown has taken a great toll on the students.
If they come and even get held somewhere, as long as they are out of China, we are good. And they went there to study, and we have been waiting for them to come so that they better our life.
The Kenyan government says it continues to monitor the status of the Kenyan citizens in China, and in particular the 88 Kenyan students based in Wuhan city, the situation in China, and is constantly engaging the Chinese embassy in Kenya, even though none of the Kenyan students nor any other Kenyans in China have been reported to have the symptoms of the virus. The embassy says it will continue to offer material and moral support.
All the countries have been trying to get their people out of China. Yeah. So there's no way he can be able to say that Kenyans should stay in China right now.
China has criticized the United States' decision to bar entry to foreigners who visited China in the past 2 weeks, the longest incubation period for the virus. The United States declared a public health emergency, and President Donald Trump signed an order barring entry to foreign nationals other than immediate family of American citizens and permanent residents from China. The United States has confirmed 7 cases. Spain has also confirmed its first case on Saturday. 2 people from the same family have tested positive for coronavirus in the United Kingdom. Meanwhile, 83 Britons evacuated from Wuhan in China are in quarantine. Sri Lanka also pulled out 33 more of its citizens and promised to bring out the remaining 204 students. A special flight brought 312 Bangladeshis back from Wuhan, including 8 who were hospitalized with high temperatures. At least 24 countries have reported cases since China informed the World Health Organization about the new virus in late December. WHO, despite the emergency declaration, advises that there is no reason for measures that unnecessarily interfere with international travel and trade. The government has started a 2-tier screening process on all inbound passengers and crew at international airports to fortify the state's response, and has enhanced screening at border points and seaports. Even though the option of evacuating Kenyan citizens is still not on the table, families and even the students themselves are rallying the government to get them out of Wuhan.
If the Kenyan government cannot bring those 85 students to Kenya, the best thing they can do is just to negotiate with any country that has a better health system so that they go there and then they come to Kenya.
Dorcas Wangira, Citizen TV, Nairobi.